If you've ever stopped to think about how you see, you've probably compared your eyes to a camera. But the truth is, no camera on earth comes close to matching the complexity and precision of the human eye. At Fortune Eye Care, we like to break down the anatomy of sight so you can truly appreciate the miracle that's happening in your body every second you're awake. Let's start at the very front, the cornea. This clear, curved surface is your first focusing element. Its shape bends incoming light toward the center of your vision, setting the stage for a sharp image. Just behind it sits the pupil, a responsive opening that adjusts automatically to control brightness. In bright sunlight, it becomes smaller to protect your eye. In low light, it opens wide to let more in. Behind the pupil is the crystalline lens, a transparent, flexible marvel that fine-tunes your focus. It changes shape instantly so you can shift from reading a text message to looking at a mountain in the distance without missing a beat. Once the light is perfectly focused, it travels to the retina, a paper-thin layer lining the back of your eye. This is where sight truly begins. The retina is covered with millions of photoreceptors, rods, which detect light and motion, and cones, which capture color and fine detail. These specialized cells transform light into tiny electrical signals. From here, the optic nerve takes over, carrying those signals to the brain's visual cortex. In less than a fraction of a second, your brain processes, adjusts, and assembles them into the seamless, vibrant image you see. This entire process repeats continuously, thousands of times every second, without you ever having to think about it. But this beautiful system is delicate. A cloudy lens from cataracts, retinal damage from diabetes, or increased pressure from glaucoma can disrupt the anatomy of sight, sometimes without symptoms until it's advanced. That's why Fortune Eye Care uses advanced imaging technology to examine each part of your vision system in detail, from the cornea to the retina to the optic nerve. We believe that knowing how your eyes work is the first step to keeping them healthy. And when you trust us with your eye care, our job is to protect the anatomy of sight so you can keep experiencing the beauty of the world with clarity, color, and confidence.